Oscilloscopes are devices that allow you to visualize very fast changes in voltage over time, especially those that are too difficult to accurately track when using a multimeter. This is represented by a line from one side of a screen to another, which represents a graph of voltage on the y-axis and time along the x-axis. This video will cover an advanced oscilloscope function known as multiple channel measurements. Be sure to check out our video guide on how to use an oscilloscope if you need a more general overview. Some oscilloscopes come equipped with a feature known as multiple channel measurements, which allows you to view multiple inputs at the same time. This is especially useful for viewing changes in signals as it moves through your circuit. Dual-channel oscilloscopes allow you to view two inputs at once and tend to be the most common type of multi-channel scopes. But some oscilloscopes may feature even more than two channels. In most cases, viewing your channels comes in the form of a toggle button. For example, pressing the Channel 1 button once will cause that input to display on the screen, and pressing it again will cause it to disappear. You can use these channel toggle buttons to monitor changes to multiple signals at once, or to drill down and only focus on one. With digital oscilloscopes, they will often display the channels in different colors as well, though analog scopes will only display them in one color, traditionally green. You should also keep the channel toggle buttons in mind if you do not see a waveform displayed when you may otherwise expect one. In some cases, you may have just toggled off the appropriate input, so always double-check that when troubleshooting before moving on to further troubleshooting methods. You can view our full selection of oscilloscopes and more at galco.com.